Hi crypto adventurers! Today, we are going to break down everything you need to know about tokens, digital collectibles, and even those quirky meme-based coins. So let's start with the token. Imagine it as a measure of the value, much like rewards in a store's loyalty program. Just as those rewards accumulate, a token represents a form of value you can gather and use. But instead of being stored in a database, these assets live on a blockchain, a secure, transparent ledger. Tokens can represent various things: ownership in a project, access to a service, or even a form of currency. These are often introduced through a token generation event, similar to crowdfunding. Now let's explore the types of tokens you might come across in the crypto universe. First up, let's talk about security tokens, which are akin to owning shares in a company. Holding one of these tokens might give you ownership rights, voting power, or even a share of profits. Next, we have utility tokens. Think of these as your digital keys that allow you to use specific services within a particular project. For instance, if you have a token for an online content platform, you can use it to access exclusive content. Then, we have the fun and unpredictable meme-based coin. Remember that viral meme you couldn't stop laughing at? Well, what started as a joke has now taken the crypto world by storm. These coins were created for fun, but they have captured serious attention. Their value isn't tied to traditional financial principles, but rather to the passion of their communities and the viral waves they ride on social media. Lastly, there are unique digital assets, also known as NFTs. These are one-of-a-kind assets that could be anything, from digital art to virtual land. Each type is distinct and holds its own value, opening up new possibilities for creators to monetize their work. The value of any token depends on demand, market sentiment, and the strength of the underlying project. If a project is well supported, the tokens might soar in value. For instance, if a project has strong community support, its X tokens could see a surge in value. Similarly, an NFT created by a popular artist might fetch a high price. So, crypto enthusiasts, think of tokens as the digital keys to unlock your future, your access to innovative services, fractional ownership, rare digital treasures, and a little bit of fun. Want to stay up to date on the latest crypto news? Subscribe, like, and share our channel to never miss a beat. So, see you next time, and thank you for watching.